everyone, welcome to my channel. We are about to finish the amazing Peppa Pig collection series. If you have still not followed my channel, go and subscribe it so that you never miss out on such videos. We are on book number 47 today. Let's see which book it is. A rainy day. It is a very rainy day. I don't like the rain, says Peppa, sighing. We can't go out and play. We'll just have to stay inside until it brightens up, says Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig has an idea. I know, he says. Let's play the rainy day game. What's that? asks Peppa. I'll hide this rubber duck somewhere and you have to find it, explains Daddy Pig. That's nice. Let's see if Peppa can find it or not. It's George's turn to look for the rubber duck first. Daddy Pig hides it in Peppa and George's bedroom. Hee 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 hee, says George, searching through all the toys. George hasn't found the rubber duck yet, but he's close. He says, looking on the floor by the bookshelf. You are getting warmer, shouts Daddy Pig. George turns around and points to the rubber duck sitting on top of the bookshelf. It was right behind him the whole time. He giggles. Hee 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 hee. Hooray! Everyone shouts. Well done, George, says Daddy Pig. It was high up on your bookshelf. My turn, says Peppa. I am good at finding things. I'm sure I'll spot it straight away. Mummy Pig hides the rubber duck in the kitchen. Peppa checks the sink and under the table. I can't find it. Could I have a clue, please? She asks. It's sitting with something else that's yellow, says Mummy Pig. What else is yellow in the kitchen? Bananas! Shouts Peppa, pointing to the fruit bowl. Found you, rubber ducky! Peppa and George want to play the rainy day game again. They hunt for the rubber duck in the living room. We have looked everywhere and we can't find it, says Peppa. Would you like a clue? asks Mummy Pig. It's sitting on someone very tall. It's on your head, Daddy, says Peppa, pointing. George giggles. Hee 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 hee. Now it has stopped raining. We can play outside, cries Peppa. Who wants to jump up and down in muddy puddles? asks Daddy Pig. Me! Everyone cheers. Race you there, shouts Daddy Pig. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. See you all next time.